Hello, my name is Dave Perry. I just want to show off a quick project I made using the Django software to help create websites. And so for this project, I used Django to make a website for a portfolio to store all of the different projects that I've made so far as I've been studying computer science. And so to begin, Django uses a couple different pre-made files and folders that are created for you once you start the software. The first one I'll show off is the models one. It just helps you store different attributes for classes that will be passed into different files to be then shown through HTML files. And so, for example, the projects, we just have like the name of the project, description, a picture, and a link to get to either like a YouTube video or a GitHub link as well to show more about those projects. Um, and then, yeah, like I was saying before, the views page is where we run through these different attributes and then we render it and send it to an HTML file. So each of these have a different HTML file that they go to, and those are under the templates, and you can see all of those here. Index is just the home, portfolio, yeah, descriptive from there. And so it just runs through each of these and describes what will happen when certain things happen and how the page will be formatted, as well as the actual HTML. And that's just, yeah, basic HTML. The URLs are used to let the website know what URLs are allowed. And so you do those here in the app is what this part is called. And then there's the actual web page. And you also say what URLs are going to be used here. You just use one URL for each app. So since I only have one app, I just have one of those along with the admin, which I'll show off later. But here is an admin file. You can choose what the admin has access to. And yeah, like I said, I'll show that in just a moment. Yeah, but that is a very basic description of how this works. I also have in the static folders the style like CSS and also pictures that I was using for the different projects. And yeah, so we can hop into how it's ran. Let's see here. So down here, you can just start the server. Once that's started, it will show you what the link you can use to get to it. And so here's just the index page or the home page of what you'll see when you first log on. And so here's just a description of me, just really small, pretty simple. There's also a footer down here showing some other links. Once you hit portfolio, it will show the different projects. So here's Hangman, Slide Puzzle, and a network game. And so like if I hit Hangman, for example, it's going to take me to my GitHub and tell you about Hangman and how it's created and different details about it. You can also hit add comment, and here it will show the picture of the um, project that you're looking at. And you can say, this is so awesome, and then hit submit, and then you'll see the user and what they said about the project. And so, yeah, so that's some basic functionality. You can also like it. Um, and another cool thing with Django is that you can use the admin page. And so from here, I can click on like comments and I can see that there's a comment added and I can see what it says. I can see who added it. I can cycle through the different projects and see what's going on there. And I can either edit it, says save, and I can save it. And then when I come back here, I can refresh and it'll say says save. So admin is a really cool way to add projects. Like here, if I went to add, I can add a name, description, a picture, and a link. And so it saves a lot of the coding process and it's just an awesome way to help, yeah, make it more efficient. So Django is super cool. I really liked my time learning more about it, and I hope you enjoyed my presentation. Let me know if you have any questions.